Hungry for homemade snacks? We researched dozens of food dehydrators, purchasing the 12 most promising models available today for rigorous in-house testing. We then delve into temperature accuracy, ease of use, and aesthetics. The models in our fleet run the gamut of price, tray space, and configuration. Whether your need for food dehydration is infrequent and you're in the market for something small, or you are a connoisseur and need as much tray space as you can get, the results of our investigation are organized to make accurate and straightforward comparisons. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the best food dehydrators of 2024. And if you want more information, we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Best Excalibur Electric Food Dehydrator. Here at Gear Lab, we pride ourselves on our expertise on the best home appliances. With more than 6 kitchen categories, you can trust that we've spent hundreds of hours blending, baking, frying, and toasting to find the products that are the very best. From the best air fryers, top-ranked pressure cookers, the best griddles, and the best juicers, you can rely on us for world-class testing. The sleek Magic Mill combines a modern digital interface with an understated matte black finish. The well-thought-out metal tray design allows for 7.6 square feet of food processing space, and there is a transparent door that enables you to monitor the progress. The temperature settings are reasonably accurate, and the modest footprint won't eat up too much counter space. Moreover, it produces consistent and quality dried goods, and cleaning up this model is easy peasy. There are a few downsides of the Magic Mill worth mentioning. The temperature can only be adjusted in 10-degree increments, and we found the timers beep loud and somewhat obnoxious. However, the machine is very quiet during operation. Finally, consider the amount of space you need from a food dehydrator. This one has an average amount of dehydrating real estate but is likely too small if frequent bulk dehydration is your goal. Still, we think this machine has the best combination of function and features when looked at as a whole. The highly regarded Excalibur 3926 terabytes has copious tray space and a roomy cabinet, making it one of the largest machines we tested. This square footage is a luxury for cooks requiring high-volume food preservation. The meshline trays can be removed and soaked or scrubbed in the sink or dishwasher, which significantly aids in the cleanup of sticky food bits. More importantly, this model produced consistently positive results for texture, evenness, and flavor across our test foods. This is largely due to the 3926 TB's relatively accurate temperatures, particularly at the high and low ends of the temperature range. The tray space the Excalibur 3926 terabytes offers is a boon to the high-volume cook, but the external dimensions can be an issue for folks with limited storage space. We also found the rough texture on the plastic interior is difficult to wipe down, complicating cleanup. Finally, the markings on the knobs are imprecise, which might explain some of the inaccuracies we noticed in the middle temperature ranges. Downsides aside, the 3926 terabytes is a noble option for both intensive and casual dehydrating. If you don't want to fork over this much cash, consider the Presto 06301 Dehydro, which offers totally decent dehydrating performance at a more affordable price. Best Broad and Taylor Sahara Folding. For those who want their food dehydrator completely out of sight while not in use, Broad and Taylor has devised a spectacular design for their Sahara folding model. While in storage mode, it takes up 1/3 of the space of its operating size. It easily converts between storage and operating modes with a few quick and easy adjustments. Considering all of the Sahara's functions and settings, our team found this appliance to be simple to operate. An integrated air filter helps keep contaminants off your food, and this model is especially quiet while running. Even though we love the innovative collapsible construction of the Broad and Taylor Sahara folding, converting it adds extra steps that other models don't require. There is no reason to go with a folding version if you use your food dehydrator often and don't mind it permanently living on your countertop. The high price will also put a dent in your wallet. Therefore, we suggest looking at other contenders if you're shopping on a budget. Despite the cost, we highly recommend this model for those who want a full-sized food dehydrator with a much smaller storage size. If you have the storage space, the Tribus Sedona SDE S6780B is another premium model, but it's rather pricey. How we test food dehydrators. Our thorough testing process began with the purchase of the best dehydrators on the market. We then ran racks of beef, tomatoes, bananas, apple slices, apple sauce, to make fruit leather, and fresh herbs through each model. These practical applications allow us to assess the dehydrated foods and the consistency of the results, in addition to the accuracy of the dehydrator's internal temperatures, the difficulty of cleaning, and the ease of use. We hope this review will motivate you to pick up one of these machines and delve into this timeless food processing method. Our dehydrator testing is divided into 4 rating metrics. Dehydrating, 25% of overall score weighting. Temperature accuracy, 25% weighting. Ease of cleaning, 25% weighting. Ease of use, 25% weighting. Why trust GearLab? Our research analyst Michelle Powell brings more than 10 years of professional culinary experience to the table in her analysis of food processing appliances. Senior review editor Nick Miley has spent several years working in university laboratories engaging in original research and writing about the findings. Nick is an avid cook who enjoys baking and preserving food. Lastly, our jack-of-all-trades Ross Patton has tested, photographed, and written about an array of products ranging from power tools to electronics, including kitchen appliances such as hand blenders and popcorn poppers. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and I hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.